To get the vertical asymptote of an equation, you need the zeros of the denominator. So in this specific equation, you put the x plus 5 and equalize it to 0. Then, you move the plus 5 to the other sign with its opposite sign, and that will be your answer. To get the vertical asymptote of the equation, equalize the denominator to 0. X plus 3, x minus 3. So your answer will be x minus 3, x plus 3. To get the horizontal asymptote, you need to compare both degrees. In this case, your upper number does not have a degree, so it will be 0. Your second number is a 2, so 0 is less than 2. So this means y equals 0. Now graph your asymptotes. These are imaginary lines. To get the x-intercept, you need the zeros of the denominator, but in this case there is no variable, so there is no x-intercept. To get the y-intercept, you need to substitute the 0 in every x. So, 3 over 0 squared minus 9 will be equal to 1/3 negative. To know the wholes, you need to know the zeros of the eliminated term, but in this case, x plus 3 and x minus 3. Nothing eliminates, so you don't take the zeros out of nothing, so there are no wholes. With all this information, you can graph now. Use a table of values to help you. For this problem, your domain will be all real numbers except those touching your asymptotes, which are -3 and 3. For your range, it would be all real numbers except that in your asymptote, so your answer would be y equals all real numbers except 0. For this problem, you need to graph each equation individually. So grab your first equation, move 1 unit upward and 2 units to the left. Grab your second equation, graph your -2 and 2. Then, notice that you have a parabola, and it's a negative parabola. Shift 4 units upward and time to graph. Grab your third one. This is a radical, so just look in the inside, and in this case you would move 2 units to the right. For this problem, the domain would be all real numbers since our lines and parabolas touch every single part of the x-axis, and the range on the other side, since there is no line before the 0, it would be from 0 with a bracket to the positive infinity.